Hello kids, welcome back to Xoratale. Today we are learning about neutral colors. Neutral colors are soft and simple colors. Neutral colors are black, white, gray, and brown. First is black. Black hat. Black bag. Black dress. Kids, let's find black things around us. Which one is black? Awesome! You got them all right. Let's clap for ourselves. Next is gray. Gray cat. Gray t-shirt. Gray box. Now let's find all the gray items. Which one is gray? Awesome! You got them all right. Let's clap again. Now comes white. White flower. White door. White frock. Now let's find white items. Which one is white? Awesome! You got them all right. Let's clap for ourselves. Last one is brown. Brown table. Brown bag. Brown dress. Let's find brown items. Which one is brown? Awesome! You got them all right. Big clap for you. Great job, kids. You learned all neutral colors. You are amazing little artists. Bye-bye, little learners. See you soon.